Sunday I was going to cheat code for it.
They should see the love that we have.
Kaizer Chiefs, the best team in South Africa.
Yeah. Emotions. This league is gonna show us films.
Greetings everybody, back again. Them Sport Entertainment, we're back with the Betway Premiership, we're back again at FNB Stadium. Yeah, what a game. Skukune 3, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm with your analyst, Mabena the Benas. How's it, man?
I'm very, very happy. Today it's like my good day.
Sure.
To see the performance of Skukune United, Babina Nuku, kill the boy of Nuchirera, Bafana Style. I'm so happy. Today, South Africa will be able to sleep. Yeah. There will be no celebrations.
Sure.
Yeah,
man, holy village, man. Nailing game plan, yeah, Kaizer Chiefs today. Holy village, come on, mobile, like
that thing. I had some Makele, I had some Villagazi, I had some Shabalala in the big game. Skukune is a challenging team, South Africa. That thing he was wanting to come with another combination, and that combination I am a spanner because we won Lorch. Skukune, the defensive achievements, it was gone because one mistake, yeah, Chiefs, Skukune is a goal.
Sure.
One mistake, but Skukune was there to play, to push their own effort. Chiefs was not there to do.
Sure.
It's not the Chiefs that play with Mamelodi Sundowns. I was not here against the game of today for Kaizer Chiefs because Kaizer Chiefs was big. Kaizer Chiefs was pushing more effort last game, but today lose more focus. If you look at like Umeke was not there, Umegwele make false, Omako was there but was making a mistake. You understand?
Sure.
But it's Skukune, like Umakaola, Umunare, was killing the midfield of Kaizer Chiefs, was killing that boy. Munare, like you can see that boy is that thing, a combination as Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
He kill every step that he take. He make a push effort.
Sure.
Yeah.
Robla Brace, Orengayen.
Robla is the king.
Yeah.
Robla, where you go against Kaizer Chiefs, you kill Kaizer Chiefs, you kill Orlando Pirates, and you will even kill Mamelodi Sundowns. Skukune this year, it's gonna be tough for Skukune. It's gonna be tough. Yeah.
I think the number one news Skukune, man. Prabanze go di matable. Tawabona, man. Hey, banyaga something. This season, I wanna they keep on fighting each and every game.
Even Skukune, like it's not easy to take a league, but for one this year they can go to CAF. The way they play, CAF Confederation or CAF Champions League or Nedbank Final or Kalim Blake knockout. 3 of them Skukune will go.
Sure.
Yeah.
Anything to say to Eric Tengla Wabona, man? Since they send Eric Tengla, the coach is doing a great work, man. Any message to him?
Yeah, like first of all, I like to thank management of Skukune to appointment Eric Tengla. Eric Tengla was the best coach since Cape Town City. Spurs Porter coach after downfall to Maritzburg United. After Maritzburg United, he's back to Skukune, and you want to create something to Skukune. You want to punish Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. It's not easy to kill 2 bears same time. You killed Kaizer Chiefs, you killed Orlando Pirates.
Sure.
Big team South Africa.
Sure.
Yeah.
Kilewile tata me bra. Yeah, men. I
will sleep.
Yeah.
Because today we'll be able to chat.
Yeah.
Today we'll have a peace because it done for the Chiefs. It started today.
Sure.
Next game is CAF Confederation. Another game is against Chase Galaxy. And it's not gonna be easy for Chase Galaxy because Chase Galaxy is the development of Kaizer Chiefs. Most of the players. Yeah, thank you.
Tanko. To our fans, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is Sport Entertainment. Tanko.
Thank you.